It's a 1998 ek4 SI Civic. Alright, it's a B16A from factory, tranny, stock just the same. 16x9 wheels on it, nice fitment, drop on some max speed coilovers. It's fire ready now. It was actually in silver, decided to change the color after a little situation with it, so came out with a different color. It's going 1 year and about 5 months now. Alright, the only plan I may have is if the tranny goes bad, then I'll go gearbox. Yeah, everybody see the car. Is it standard? No. Well, no plan soon for selling this car. As you can see, it's a very rare ek4 in Jamaica. So it's just a few in Jamaica. Alright, so basically the ek4s, they come with a lot of accessories and features with like the back wiper. Some come with sunroof, so if it doesn't have a back wiper, they have a sunroof. Sunroof, no back wiper. ek4 also comes with a pole on the front bumper, one on the back fender as well. 4-wheel disc, and it comes with blue interior seats, powered driver seat, semi-bucket at the front as well, headrest at the back. So it's pretty much different. Comes with the B16A from factory with the tranny for it as well. Yeah, man, it is.
Okay, so the ek3 don't have that many features, or
it doesn't come with these blue stitch interior, not semi-bucket seats in the ek3. It's powered seat on the driver's side, as I said, and 4-wheel disc. So it's pretty much a lot of features different from the ek3.
Alright, so I'm sure the viewers learned something who probably don't know a lot about Hondas, because I'm learning a lot right now. Because to me, I just thought the crystal light looking Civic were ek4s. I didn't know the difference.
Yeah, man, so I got these crystal lights when I changed the color. Decided to go crystal clear light at the front and switch to the 50/50 backlight. Give the car a nice look, modern look.
So you basically upgraded the front headlights as well to the crystal to match the tails.
Perfect.
Alright, pretty nice, pretty nice. Alright people, hope you can see it good, but I don't have the stabilizer for the dash, and because of these low modified cars, you know, it's always vibrating and stuff. So just driving around, we're not gonna do any major pulls or anything, because as he stated before, it's transmission, auto transmission, so it's not like any real, you know, big juice machine. So we're just cruising low and slow. So Virgo, what's your special what's your favorite feature or mod about the car? I would say feature first and then mod.
Alright, even though it's a tranny B16A, it runs pretty well.
Alright, so and your favorite feature would be what?
I love the fact that it has the 4-wheel disc brake, the semi-bucket seats, and the blue stitch interior.
Real nice. You know, every driver has something that they love about a vehicle that they have. So I guess that's yours.
Yeah.
Alright, so it's pretty nice. So this is your daily and your fun car.
Daily and fun.
As you know,
this is my 7th EK, so you know a man love EK, see me?
What? People hear that? The man buy 6 EKs already, and this is the 7th one. Talk about EK love, Honda love. Yeah, man. So so you say you're not planning to sell this car anytime soon?
Not anytime soon. I have a lot of persons bothering me about selling the car, but not ready.
Alright, so people, the man now sell him car, so when him ready to sell it, then we know. So yeah, man, Virgo, respect for the time out. Don't know,
yeah,
bro.
Man, cool.
It's a very nice machine. I'm a lover of old cars myself, and when I say old cars, I don't mean say the man car old. It's not a 2020, it's an older model, and we take pride and joy in these cars. So
it's all about the passion, man.
Respect, you see me. So respect again for the interview and the feature of the machine, and you know, I hope I can do it some justice when you see it on the channel.
Yeah man, thanks again.
Yeah man, respect.
It was a good little experience doing a vlog with you, Tezzaboy. I just want to say, you guys check out my photography page on Instagram. It's called Virgo Photography 1. I'm one of the upcoming talents photographer in Jamaica. I do like birthday shoots, cars, weddings, baby shower, maternity shoot, you name it. Just check out my page. He'll also hit it up with my logo. And just big up yourself, Tezzaboy. It's Tezzaboy Production on YouTube, and check him out also on IG. Alright, big up yourself again.
Alright, out.